Festool's TS55 and TS75 plunge cut saws. Shop quality cutting on the job site.
I've never screwed up a cut with a Festool.
If you got the right blade in here, you can go across the grain and not a splinter. I mean, it's a clean cut.
The finished cuts of the blade are some of the best I've ever seen.
Shops are built around 3 key saws: the table saw, the panel saw, and the radial arm saw. But what do you do on the job site? Festool's rail-guided saws deliver the power of all these in a compact portable system that you can set up on site, in a client garage, or even in their home.
We can take it out to a job site, set it up. We don't have this huge table saw that we got to carry with us.
Being able to go out to a job site and have factory cut edges with a guide, using a guide rail on job site, which I've never been able to do that before.
The Festool saw can cut just as good as a cabinet saw. And when you think about a cast iron tabled saw, you don't carry that to a job. But with a Festool, it just fits in your hand and away you go.
When you bring a TS55 or TS75 onto the job site, you get precise, splinter-free cuts that rival the most expensive shop saws. The cuts you need to complete your work at the highest level of quality. Because with Festool, you work faster, easier, and smarter. Hanging doors, installing cabinets and countertops, trimming and scribing, jointing, truing, cutting panels on site, building stairs, and even creating award-winning custom floors.
If it takes you 3 times longer to do that compared to what it took me, what's really cheaper? You spend a little bit more, you're faster on your time, you're more precise, you weigh out the bottom line. Always weigh out the bottom line.
I have a 16-foot long board, and it's crooked. Well, it's difficult to get that edge straight. Well, with the rails, you can lay them on there, saw it, and make a perfect cut.
Trimming a very expensive mahogany door, you don't have to worry about doing a little knife cut first, put your blue tape down, then cut through the door to make it a good cut. You can set the guide rail right on it, put the saw right on it, and just cut right through it.
Festool helps you work faster, easier, smarter.
Installing cabinets requires accurate cuts on site to achieve a quality fit without any extra steps. With the TS, you mark your cut line, place the rail, and make the cut. The cut is clean and install ready without chip out or splintering. And fabricating countertops is an easy process with the Festool TS. Whether cutting precise angles or truing laminate edges,
Festool has been bringing innovation to the portable power tool industry for over 80 years and continually wins top ratings and reviews by professionals. The Festool TS system starts with our special blade and motor design for precision cutting and the rail guide to ensure a straight cut at any angle. A pivoting design controls your cut depth. You can add bevel angles on any cut without extra measurements. And our dust control system that captures up to 96% of all dust.
cutting panels for casework with a Festool TS is simple, even when working alone. Rails are available in a variety of lengths and can be combined for any cut. Place the rail and cut on your line for accurate, straight cuts every time without the need to measure or calculate offsets. And angle cuts or scribe cuts are simple.
Festool's precision starts with our innovative rail system that simplifies measurement and ensures a straight cut. The TS minimizes blade wobble with a larger arbor. Innovative laser cut blades with tooth patterns optimized to reduce vibration. And splinter guards on both sides of the blade make glue-ready cuts on even the most splinter-prone wood. The result? The TS design virtually eliminates tooth marks and burning.
It's a good, clean cut. Don't have to have any more prep to it.
Being able to go out to a job site and have factory cut edges with a guide, using a guide rail on job site, which I've never been able to do that before.
Contractor Gary Katz writes, Festool products make it easier to do my job and to enjoy my work more. The dust collection is amazing, and their durability makes the TS saw worth every penny. I'm a better carpenter when I'm using Festool. The TS virtually eliminates tooth marks and burning, regardless of your feed rate. Onboard MMC electronics adjusts the blade speed based on material density and the rate of your feed. MMC also protects the motor from thermal and current overload. And Festool has blades for cutting material ranging from wood and plastic to corian, aluminum, and even steel with the TS75. And the Fast Fix blade change system locks the blade in place so you can quickly change the blade and get back to work. The TS makes bevel cuts simple because regardless of the angle, it always cuts along the edge of the rail. That means there's no complicated measurements. And to add a bevel, you just set your angle and cut. TS accuracy ensures a precise cut, whether the bevel is small or large. Even better, when you angle the rail and set a bevel, you can quickly make a compound miter of any length.
The adjustability, the angles we can cut, 12 degrees, a compound miter of 12 and 12 or something for doing something like a tapered column, that we really had a difficult time setting it up on a table saw. The flexibility of that.
Festool's TS55 and TS75 deliver all the convenience of a handheld saw. So take your first step now and visit FestoolUSA.com to find a dealer near you. Then ask your dealer to demonstrate the power, precision, and versatility of Festool's innovative plunge cut saws. The TS uses a pivoting design so that the blade is safely stored until you start to cut. This design lets you set the depth to the millimeter for precise, accurate cuts. The pivoting design helps you save time and increase precision by cutting multiple pieces with a single pass. And the pivoting design makes the TS ideal for plunge cuts to create cutouts in countertops, doors, or floors. The limit stop and automatic riving knife protect against kickback so you can safely make accurate, straight plunge cuts.
In hardwood floors, it's a field of wood, and sometimes you want to mess with the middle of it, and a lot of times you'll have to pull out half of it to get to the middle. With the plunge cut on the Festool, you can set it right to the seam, drop in, and be able to pull out just the piece of wood you need to remove.
The TS is designed to work with Festool's dust extractor. When used together, you can remove up to 96% of the fine sawdust from your work area. And the dust extractor makes a convenient rolling base for sustainers, the system of custom containers that protect your tools and make our products easy to take on the job. Outfitting a cabinet shop with a quality table saw, panel saw, and radial arm saw typically costs between $5,000 and $30,000. With the Festool TS saw, you can take the same precise, high-quality cuts to the job site. And you can have the TS55 plunge cut saw plus dust extractor and still pay less than $1,000. Because with Festool, you work faster, easier, and smarter. Hanging doors, installing cabinets and countertops, trimming and scribing, jointing, truing, cutting panels on site, building stairs, and even creating award-winning custom floors. Festool's TS55 and TS75 deliver all the convenience of a handheld saw, the durability for the toughest jobs, and the cut quality needed for a high-end finish in a powerful, lightweight, portable design. But don't just take our word for it. You can buy with confidence, since all Festool products come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, return it within 30 days for a full refund of the purchase price. And Festool stands behind its products with a full 3-year, no-hassle warranty that covers your tools from defects in materials and workmanship. We're so committed to ensuring you have quality tools that we'll even pay any and all shipping charges during the first year of warranty. The Festool TS and all Festool products are available for demonstration in woodworking and tool stores nationwide. So take your first step now and visit FestoolUSA.com to find a dealer near you. Then ask your dealer to demonstrate the power, precision, and versatility of Festool's innovative plunge cut saws. Festool helps you work faster, easier, smarter.